When I failed to clear CA Inter in the first trial, someone said, CA is not for you.
I was always an average student in my class.
Awarded with grace marks at 11th standard in accounts.
As is the name Insighto, so is the objective to inspire. Insighto Academy is a result-oriented training institute for CA and CMA examinations. Insighto has a very strong commitment with respect to quality training.
Teaching is a great responsibility that is to be taken up with a true intent to help the students. And the best way to understand students' problem is to step into their shoes, understand how they think, and then explain them the right line of thinking, making them understand the concepts and application of the concepts in the required situations.
Sometimes you need to know what hard thinking feels like. You need challenges. You need someone to say, think twice. You need to push yourself more.
We at Insighto guide you throughout in taking the right decisions by making you aware of tough competition and the solutions to deal with them. The practical problems, exhaustive question bank, and test conducted in the class gives an idea to a student that where he stands.
Insighto helps the student to change their outlook and give confidence and a positive approach towards all problems and barriers in their career.
This is not an overnight accomplishment. It's an urge, a growing desire to always seek and try for perfection. And thus this makes us capable to set new benchmarks of excellence, which in return helps our students to reach their aim and be proud about their achievements.
Apart from providing training for professional examinations, objective of Insighto is to inspire each and every student and craft them into finest professionals.
At Insighto, I have found that classroom environment is highly competitive, and this helps me to focus and work harder to achieve my goals. Teachers here are highly dedicated and they make all our concepts extremely clear and easy.
We believe in making the learning process effective and simplified so that the students find learning burden-free and joyful.
The teachers here are very approachable, and so does it helps us to connect with them. We can always ask them without any hesitation. They always guide us as they are the specialists in their respective subjects. They are the constant source of inspiration, and that's what helps us to achieve our higher targets.
We at Insighto train students for out-of-the-box thinking that helps you in developing your IQ and bringing the best out of you by guiding and opening doors for you to reach to newer heights.
We have realized that most of the students stop working hard and give up hope too early. Here, we ensure that we complete the entire syllabus thoroughly and motivate students at each point of time. We provide the most comfortable and modern infrastructures for a great learning experience.
The best part, it is very close to Andheri station. I personally feel that it is better to join one institute and to follow all its system religiously rather than join multiple institutes, as it leaves you no time for self-study. I would like to say for all the CA final students, Insighto is one of the best academy in Mumbai.
You don't always need a plan.
Sometimes you just need to trust.
Trust us and see the magic happen.